match. Some people say 2 million. And today you can see more than 5 million.
Yeah. We will not allow corrupt leaders to take over the affairs of Nigeria. Because of this, I decided not just to stand on the pulpit, but I decided to be on the field. Now, I promise you that whatever hurdles that has been standing on the way, we will use our hands and clear it out. It is not about a party anymore. It is about the project for a new Nigeria. And I declare today that Isa El Buba declare my stand for Peter Obi for the presidency.
Somebody that is very transparent and open to the people.
Fairness, equity.